Saving the sparrow. Hiralal looked at the power line that ran across his village. His father had once told him that the line brought electricity to their homes. Quite often, Hiralal thought about following the power line to see where it went. He imagined the places he would see and the people he would meet. Most evenings, sparrows came to rest on the power line. They looked beautiful, sitting like little glass beads on a necklace. Seeing the birds, he wished he were one of them so he could fly to strange lands. One morning, as Hiralal was cycling to school, he heard the loud twittering of the sparrows. Something was not right. He looked up to see that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. It was hanging there, head down, desperately flapping its wings. But he did not know how he could help. So Hiralal rode off to school. He hoped someone would save the sparrow. When he came back from school, he saw that the sparrow was still trapped. Its wings were spread, but they were not moving. Hiralal began to worry. What if it died? Hiralal noticed that other sparrows were flying around the trapped bird. They were trying to help it. Hiralal ran into the house. Ma, ma, help me. Pa, quick, come quickly. His parents rushed to his side. What happened? Tell us, they said. He told them about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it. But his father said, the power line is very high. How are we going to reach it? His mother screamed, it is too dangerous, and I will not allow either of you to go near the wire. Hiralal was sobbing. His parents tried to comfort him. Nature has a way of protecting its own, said his father. There seemed to be little they could do. Hiralal knew the bird would not live much longer. The thought did not allow him to rest, but slowly he thought of a plan. If only the power could be turned off, just for a minute. Soon after, Hiralal cycled quickly to the power station near his village. When Ram Bharose, the maintenance man, saw this 11-year-old boy waving to him, he unlocked the gate and let him in. Hiralal told him about the sparrow. Would Ram Bharose switch off the power for a little while? Ram Bharose scratched his head. Then he said, let's see. Maybe the supervisor can help. He took Hiralal to a kind old man who was sitting at a desk. Hiralal was tired and frightened. With tears in his eyes, he said, a sparrow is going to die because nobody will save it. Its foot is caught in the power line. If only you can switch off the power, we can take the bird down. Please, you must listen to me. The kind old man patiently listened to Hiralal. Son, switching off the power is not going to be easy. When the power goes off, All the machines in the factories stopped working. Think of the hospitals. What will happen to a patient who is in the middle of an operation? He stopped and looked into the sad eyes of Hiralal. Then he said, "Son, tell me your name. Also tell me where you live." He touched the boy's shoulder. "I am so proud to have met a young boy with such a large heart. Now go back home. It's turning dark." Hiralal returned home. He felt sad and helpless. Sometime in the middle of the night, Hiralal woke up to loud noises. "Oi, Hiralal, is this where you live?" Hiralal shot out of the house. His heart was racing. He saw three men. One of them was Ram Bharose. There was a power shutdown at the station. Ram Bharose and the two other men had come to rescue the sparrow. "Oi, Hiralal, hurry and jump into the track. Show us where the sparrow is." Hiralal got into the truck and searched for the bird. Suddenly he yelled, "A little more to the right, a little more." They were now directly under the power line where the sparrow was trapped. The driver got the truck in position and got the extension ladder ready. The other man switched on his torch and held it up as Ram Bharose swung up the ladder. The light from the torch picked out the sparrow hanging on the wire. Ram Bharose carefully loosened the bird's claw that was caught in the wire and put the sparrow in his shirt pocket. The rescue had taken only a few minutes. Soon Ram Bharose handed the sparrow to Hiralal. The bird lay quietly in his cupped hands. Suddenly it jumped out of his hands. It spread its wings and began to fly. Hiralal would always remember this magical moment. Power line. Two or more wires carrying powerful electric current from one location to another. Twittering. To make a short, sharp sound like a bird. Desperately. In a way that shows you are frightened and ready to try anything to change a situation. Power station, a place where power is produced and from where it is sent to other places like homes, factories, etc. Maintenance man, a person who can repair and maintain things. Supervisor, a person who is in charge of something and make sure that everything is done correctly. Large heart, a person who is kind and merciful. Helpless, a feeling of not being able to do anything to help. His heart was racing, a way of saying he was full of hope and excitement as his heart was beating fast. Power shut down, a period of time when power is turned off. Magical moment, a moment in which something special occurs. In this story, when the bird began to fly, it was a very special and delightful moment for Hiralal. Hiralal often looked at the power line that ran across his village and saw sparrows that sat on it like little glass beads on a necklace. One morning, as Hiralal was cycling to school, he saw one of the sparrows was caught in the power line and it was desperately flapping its wings. Not knowing how to help, Hiralal hoped someone would save the sparrow. When he saw the sparrow was still trapped when he came back from school, Hiralal ran to his house and told his parents about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it, but there seemed to be little they could do. Hiralal thought of a plan and quickly cycled to the power station. Hiralal told Ram Bharose, the maintenance man, about the sparrow. Would he switch off the power for a little while? Ram Bharose took Hiralal to the supervisor, a kind old man. With tears in his eyes, Hiralal said, If only you switch off the power, we would save the trapped bird. The kind old man said, Son, tell me your name and where you live. I am so proud to have met a young boy with such a large heart. Sometime in the night, Hiralal woke up to loud noises. Hiralal came out of the house. There was a power shutdown at the station. Ram Bharose and two other men had come to rescue the sparrow. Ram Bharose said, Hiralal, hurry and show where the sparrow is. Hiralal got into the truck and led them where the sparrow was trapped. The driver positioned the truck and the extension ladder. The other man switched on his torch and Ram Bharose climbed the ladder. With the help of the light from the torch, Ram Bharose carefully loosened the bird's claw and put the sparrow in his shirt pocket. The rescue had taken only a few minutes. The bird lay still for a few minutes and spread its wings and flew away. Hiralal would always remember this magical moment.